Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the MetaTrader 5 data folder. If you need to access custom indicators, expert advisors, templates, logs, or other platform files, the MetaTrader 5 data folder is the place you want to go. This folder is basically where MetaTrader 5 keeps many of the files that help the platform run, store settings, and load extra tools. The good news is that finding it is very quick and simple, and you can do it directly from inside the platform without searching through your computer manually. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer and wait for the platform to fully load. It's always a good idea to make sure the application is responsive before you continue, especially if you've just launched it. If the platform is still loading charts, accounts, or market data, give it a few seconds so the menu options work properly. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, look at the top left area of the platform window and find the menu bar. In that menu bar, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to the platform, including account access, chart settings, and file locations. This is the easiest place to start, because MetaTrader 5 already knows the exact folder path for your installation. From that file menu, click on Open Data Folder. As soon as you select it, MetaTrader 5 will automatically open the data folder in your computer's File Explorer. This is the main folder where the platform stores important working files and directories. So instead of guessing where the folder is saved, the platform takes you directly to the correct location. Inside this location, you may see folders for things like MQL5, profiles, templates, logs, and configuration data. If you're following instructions from a trading setup guide, installing a tool, or troubleshooting a platform issue, this is usually the exact location you'll need. For example, custom indicators and expert advisors are usually placed inside the MQL5 folder, while templates may go into the templates folder. One helpful tip is to avoid changing or deleting files unless you know exactly what they do. Some of the items in the data folder are essential for MetaTrader 5 to work properly. If you're only there to copy, paste, or review files, take a moment to confirm you're placing them in the correct subfolder. This helps prevent errors, missing tools, or platform issues later. Also, keep in mind that this method is much easier than trying to locate the folder manually through your system directories, because MetaTrader 5 can sometimes store data in a path that isn't obvious at first glance. Using the built-in menu option takes you straight to the correct location. This is especially useful if you have multiple MetaTrader installations or different broker versions installed on the same computer. And that's all there is to it. To find the MetaTrader 5 data folder, simply click File, then click Open Data Folder. Once the folder opens, you can access the files and folders you need for indicators, expert advisors, templates, logs, or troubleshooting. Just make sure you work carefully and place each file in the correct folder.